You are watching JnC's Corner.
Hi guys, so in this video we're going to unpack the things that we have bought yesterday from IKEA, and everything here is cost 65 euro. So what are these things that we bought that would add up to 65 euro? So let's open them up. The first item that I'm going to open is the water bottle. I need this for the part of the lunch box of my kids going to school, and the reason why I bought this is because it's quite transparent like the water bottles that we bought in the groceries, and it's light and it's just the right size and amount of water that they can use while they are on school. So the second item that we're going to unpack is this container. This is only cost 150 euro, and it's made of 3 containers. I have bought this before and I like it. I like the way it sealed. It's not very tight, it's not very loose as well. So ideal for storing food and fruits for the fridge, considering that the cost is very affordable. So next is the set of cutleries. So there's 4 styles: teaspoon, spoon, fork, and knife, and each got 6 items. The cost of this product is 12 euro, and I like it. It's durable. It's made of stainless steel, and it's pretty good quality. So there you go. Okay, so the next item that we have here is a spray for the plant. So I like the style and the design, and I'm pretty sure it will give a very thin spray, considering, you know, the tiny hole inside. And you have to put water and put the pressure. I find it very cute, and you can use this for indoor plants just to give them moist, just to keep them hydrated most of the time. I think this costs 6 euro. So I bought 2 pack of this container. I need a lot for my meat and fish storage. Okay, so all in all I have 6. Next, I've got this brush, which I am intended to use for cleaning the sink or whatever it can suit to use it. So this item is about, I think, 150. So it has a suction tip at the bottom, and it's made of quality material, plastic material, very sturdy and good grip. I mean, the size is just enough for you to hold it properly, and the brush itself is quite strong, and the size is not that big enough. So, and at the tip there's also like something that you can scrape when you're cleaning. So yeah, so it has lots of purpose. So let's try the tip, if how it works. Okay, so there you go. So it can stand. Next we have a 4 babla. 4 babla is a set of knife with a small and big knife. So let's open it up. It's just ideal for everyday use, cutting, you know, fruits, vegetables, and maybe meat. It doesn't look really very ideal to cut bones, you know, small bones of chicken or something because it looks small, but you can probably try it. So the handle is made of plastic material, so just enough to have a good grip as well. So made of stainless steel, and there's an IKEA logo here, a bit pointed. And this one, the small one, so there you go, same. So maybe this is just ideal for cutting or splitting something that's small as well. Okay. So these are plates, small plates. So I bought 6 small plates here. So each plate costs 80 cents, and I got 6 here, which is total of 480 euro. So next is we have a whiskey glass. I've tried to find the previous glass we have, but I think they ran out of stock. So each one of this is 2 euro, and the total is 8 euro for the 4. So it has a good design and curvings on the sides. So just enough for drinking, you know, although we will use it for water, not for whiskey. Here we got a small bowl. Each also cost 80 cents, and we got 12 here, so it cost like somewhere 980 or 960. So that is the 6 set, and here is the another set of 6. We got a big bowl here. So each bowl would only cost 150, and I bought 4, and it cost me like how much? 6 euro for the 4. Then the last one that we have, and it's all empty now. So let's open this. So IKEA provided this, it's a self-service, so you have to do it by yourself. You have to wrap your item, you know, the breakable items by yourselves. They have a corner to do that, and they have provided this thick paper and you know, tape or plaster that you can do it yourself. And I have bought 6 plates for this. So each plate costs 80 cents, and roughly I was charged of 480 euro for 6 of them. There you go. So the reason why I bought this kind of plates is that they are quite light to handle, especially when you're washing them. They're easy to hold and maneuver. Just be careful, they are a bit obviously even other plates will get slippery once they have soap, so yeah, just be careful. So I preferred this, and aside from that, it's quite affordable compared to others. So guys, this is the item that I have bought from IKEA for a total price of roughly 65 euro. To be exact, it is 64.78. Guys, you can visit us at www.jnccorner.com, and see you guys next time. Bye!